Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new Halloween makeup tutorial for you. As promised, it turned out to be pretty fun and easy to make. If you haven't seen my previous tutorial that I posted 2 days ago, check that one out. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe, tap the bell button to get notified when I post next, and enjoy this video. As you can see, I already started outlining large circles around my eyes. If the lines don't come out even or perfect, it's okay, as we will be filling them in with black paint later on. I am using the same liquid eyeliner from the previous video. You can also use black face paint or any other product of your choice. Next, I will be using Snazaroo Classical White Paint as my base, and yes, a MAC brush. It's soft and perfect for paint applications. While applying white paint all over the face, make sure to leave out outline spaces around your eyes where later on they will be filled in with black paint. Also, several layers of white paint will need to be applied until we get it to look thick, non-transparent so to say. Moving on to the application of black paint in large circles. I am using Snazaroo Classic Black Paint and a small pointy paintbrush. Once again, you can use any other face paint of your choice. Also, you can use liquid eyeliner to touch up on the outline and make it look crisp. And we are back again to the base, applying second layer of paint. Actually, speaking of paint, I got this particular brand in a Halloween store and it wasn't really that expensive. I think I paid about $6 to $7 for each color. You can also get this particular brand in Walmart or any other art store. Going back to the white paint and a pointy brush, we will be going around our eyes and applying little flower petals. I don't know how else to call them. With my liquid eyeliner, I am adding half circles, or some might say scalloped edges, to the outside of black circles. Also guys, if you wish to accessorize around your eyes, you can add some face gems in silver or white, or face glitter. With my liquid eyeliner, I am outlining 2 vertical lines on the base of my nose and then connected them to the corners of my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward me filling them in. Next, we are going to be drawing small vertical lines to create the stitch look. Actually guys, before proceeding with this step, you can apply some matte black lipstick to your lips or any other product you like. I'm not sure why exactly I skipped this step. Moving on to 2 horizontal lines from the corners of my lips out. You can make it look as long or as short as you like. And also adding some more quick small vertical lines. And finally, you can add some small details to your face, like I'm doing so. And to complete the look, white or black contacts will do the trick. And that is all I have for you today guys. I hope you enjoyed this Halloween makeup tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. Please be sure to like, comment your thoughts down below, subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell button to get notified when I post next. See you next time!